Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream with a dispenser. First, ensure all your ingredients and equipment are well chilled for the best results, as cold components are key to stability. Next, carefully pour your heavy cream and any desired flavorings into the dispenser, making sure not to overfill. Then, securely attach the head and charge it with an N2O cartridge. Finally, you'll be ready to dispense delicious, fluffy whipped cream whenever you like. For perfect whipped cream, start with very cold, heavy cream, ideally with at least 36% milk fat. Powdered sugar is excellent for both sweetness and helping the cream hold its shape. A touch of vanilla extract adds that classic, delightful flavor. Remember, chilling your cream dispenser and even the sugar beforehand makes a significant difference in the final texture. Now, carefully pour your chilled cream mixture into the dispenser, being careful not to overfill it. You need to leave some space for the gas to work its magic. Securely screw on the dispenser head, ensuring it's completely tight to prevent any leaks. Then, place an N2O charger into its holder and screw it onto the dispenser until you hear the gas release. After charging, give the dispenser a few good shakes to mix the gas with the cream. When ready to serve, invert the dispenser and press the lever gently to dispense. You can adjust the pressure for a lighter or denser cream. Store any leftover whipped cream in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 10 days. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.